We're here eating chicken on a stick in Bacolod,
Philippines. Philippines.
Philippines.
You're coming back here because you want more.
Huh? My favorite chicken on a stick.
Yeah. Say something, Kizzy. Christopher, say something. Ah?
Ano yung balong ka?
Saan ano lang?
Ano nga ngalan? Ano nga ngalan sa ano? Sa restaurant?
You're here in the chicken in the sal in Bacolod. Say something, Mark. Are you sick? Wala si James mo.
Just a kidding. It's a heart.
It's kidding.
It's a heart. It's a heart.
Michael, say something. Yep.
Something.
My name is Michael. Come on, it's your birthday. Okay, say something.
Guys. Welcome to
Welcome you aton nga ano, welcome you aton nga Bacolod. Yeah, welcome.
Welcome to Bacolod.
The delicious chicken. Okay.
Hello. Welcome to Bacolod.
Kaya nyo kaligtas ka mo ha. Welcome ninyo inyong nga ano, inyong chicken inasal.
Bacolod inasal, manamit gid.
Hi. Ara, ikaw dyan.
Happy SM.
Sabi sa SM daw. O yan, katabi ng SM.
Hello.
Yan ang oldest,
Kanto ko
youngest.
sa Bacolod, direct nga ano manamit kag saboroso ba.
Brato lang, unlimited
Ato lang,
rice.
Unlimited 140.
Yeah, unlimited rice and drinks, lemonade.
Manamit na. Saboroso pa. Ito ya.
Hi.
Ato Bacolod ya.
Yan, mamang naman.
Mamang naman. Ma'am,
Hello, welcome.
Pakalabot na sa Bacolod eh.
guwapas mamang na. Sal.
Hello, just kumalin lang sa something. Hello, welcome to Bacolod.
Okay, wanted si Mr. Saldi Dasik. It's here. wanted. wanted sa chicken in asal. Then, make. Make. Oh, no.
Sino pang like?
Ikaw, Ten.
Hello guys. Kasi sino pang like?
Ten.
Next daw.
Shang. Come on, Shang. Come on, Shang. Say hi.
Sabat ka mo.
Jessa.
Hello. Kaon.
Kaon daw, kaon. Inasal, chicken inasal. Say hi, Miwa. But Miwa, she ordered a Jollibee fried chicken.
Petro. Sino pa Petro?
Okay, bye. Bye. Chicken inasal.
Na. Dangit.
Unlimited rice.
Huwag ka na buta sa punta.
One more rice, Kizzy. Dry rice, Kizzy.